Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tap and Solve. If you're planning to travel from Bangladesh to Dubai or living in the UAE, there's finally some positive news on the visa front in June 2025. Let's break down the latest updates you need to know in simple words. Please support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve. It helps us grow and continue bringing you more useful videos. Visit Visa Update. After nearly 10 months of suspension, Dubai has partially reopened visit visas for Bangladeshi nationals. Yes, you heard that right. According to an official announcement from the Prime Advisor's press wing, visit visas are now available in a limited way, though some conditions still apply. Here's what you need to apply for a Dubai visit or tourist visa: a recent passport size photo, a scanned copy of your passport's first and last pages, a confirmed return flight ticket, proof of accommodation in the UAE, like hotel booking or invitation from a family member. And importantly, you must show proof of financial stability, usually a bank balance of at least 4,000 US dollars or equivalent. Visit visas are typically for 30 or 90 days and valid for up to 60 days from the date of issue. Employment visa news. Now let's talk about job seekers. There were rumors that Dubai stopped issuing employment visas for Bangladeshis, but that's not true. Senior officials from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Bangladeshi ambassador in the UAE have confirmed that these are just rumors. The employment visa process is still open. However, there have been a few changes. The minimum salary requirement has been increased. The list of required documents has been expanded. You can now use fast-track processing by paying an extra fee. And the online application system is now more user-friendly. Currently, over 1.2 million Bangladeshis are working in the UAE, making it one of the largest expat groups. So yes, the demand for Bangladeshi workers is still very strong, while the process may still take some time to return to full normalcy. Officials are hopeful that the system will improve soon. Important reminder: Dubai immigration policies can change at any time without prior notice. So before you book a ticket or apply for a visa, always check with the UAE embassy, your airline, or a trusted travel agent. Keeping up with the latest verified information is the smartest move. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe to Tap and Solve for more important updates from the UAE and beyond. Thank you for watching. Best of luck.